your name? What's your name? Live. Gene? Eugene?
No, I said Regina.
Regina. Funny. What's your name, Regina?
Chris.
There you go. What you working on, Chris? Tell me. Explain the
FedEx. The FedEx experiment.
All right, a FedEx experiment. How does it work?
All right, first we gotta find the measurements of this box, the length and the width and the height, and then we gotta find the radius and the height for these three cylinders. Find the volume. The formula is length times height. Then what else?
And then you have to
Fill the box with the peanuts all around the cylinders.
And then what are you calculating?
The height of the peanuts when we take the cylinders out.
Excellent. All right, we'll come back and see how well you did. So here I'm with Chris and Regina, and they have their rectangular box with 3 cylinders in it, and they've packed it in with these organic, environmentally safe peanuts. They're going to fill it all the way to the top. And the question is, if I remove these cylinders, what is the depth of the peanuts? Ray said it's difficult. My head hurts. So, Chris, I'm asking for the height of the peanuts when I remove the cylinders. So, if I get, what do you get? Tell me what to do next. What's your thought process? Nope. I want to know before you pull them out. I want a calculation, and then we're going to measure against your calculation. How do you know that? I want to see a calculation, not a measurement. I'm going to measure afterwards. So I want to calculate the height of the peanuts. It can't be 6.5. If it's only through measurement.
Oh, I know. We got minus the cylinders, right?
You got to subtract the cylinders off of the boxes, and then what? And then what? What's the variable?
The variable will be the peanuts, right?
The variable is the height of the peanuts because you already know the dimensions of the box that don't change are the length and the width. The dimension that's going to change is the height of the peanuts. I'm going to measure the change in the height of the peanuts because right now it's the full height of the box. Then when I pull the cylinders out, it's going to go down. But the length and the width will remain the same. They'll settle down in. How many peanuts do I have in there? Not counting the number. What's the volume? And give me the volume in dimensions. All right, Chris, you found 510 is the volume of the peanuts. Cubic inches. What makes up cubic inches? 3-inch measurements. Length times width times height. I pull those cylinders out. What changes? Length, width, or height? Height. So what do? I have an equation with length times width times height equals 510. Solve algebraically for the height. And tell me what it is. Then we'll measure. Bum, 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 bum. What's the volume? Stand out in the hall. Don't be in my classroom. You can sleep in my classroom, you can stand in the hall. Just stand out in the hallway. All right, Chris. What's the height of your peanuts?
4.2.
You agree, Regina? Yeah. All right, you agree. Regina, remove the cylinders from the box. Now, you'll notice that they still kind of form. So what are we going to do? There we go. Shake them all down. Nice and level. Level them all out. All right. Hold on, I'm recording this. So, Regina, what is the measurement of the height of your peanuts? How many? Looks like 3.5. All right. Still a little, right, let us all settle down. And now the best way to do it is right over here on the side. And I get 4.1.